Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today is not going to be a long one. Had a friend's funeral today, so I just thought I'd get a little video in for you guys because again, my community is very freaking important. But anyway, guys, going to go over some updates in relation to Solana, Bitcoin. I mean, it's been pretty steady the last couple of days, which is quite nice. Going to go over why Chris Larsen took a substantial amount of XRP out of his own wallet. Going to go over that as well as my 3Commas trading bots quickly because they are making some nice profits right now, around about $50 to $100 a day. And I'm not complaining about that because it just goes to help with everyday living. And of course, there are risks associated with trading cryptocurrencies, as we all know. But I mean, the market sort of seems like it's stabilizing at the moment, hence the reason why I started these, about a week or so ago. So it's actually going really, really well. So stick around to the end of the video. Let's get into it, bulls. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing in cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up and watch it straight through. Also, ladies and gentlemen, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? So be careful, do your own research. All right, now, quickly go into the community tab today. This is no BS. This was earlier today, but that's gone up. Really, really nice as well to see. That's 7% on the day. Join the Wall Street Bull University. I've put up all the links to this so you can access it very easily. This is really bullish, but Grayscale, we believe Grayscale XRP Trust gives investors exposure to a protocol within an important real-world use case, said Grayscale's head of product and research. Rayscale. Man is a Rayscale. Top altcoins as well. Again, the market's been going quite well. And again, I'm just consistently dollar cost averaging into my favorite assets. And yes, these were yesterday's top gainers, but I haven't had a chance to put that up because I've just been so busy. But anyway, moving on, ladies and gents. In actual fact, let's go to coin market cap today. You actually can get that up on the screen. Bitcoin's currently trading at $63,609. It has been quite steady. Seriously, it's up 8.3% in the last 7 days, which is nice. Total market cap, though, is sitting at $2.23 trillion. The volume's at $68 billion, which is quite nice. Solana's still at $147. XRP's at 58 cents. Some nice gems. Top gainers in the last 24 hours. Let's have a look. Celestia is one that I'm trading with the bots as well. It's up 15%. Dog with Hat, I am trading. That's 8%. Near Protocol as well. CKB, 7.54% as well to 1 cent. But I'm just trading these guys with the bots because they work really well. Jasmy as well, I'm trading. It's up, 6%, 24 hours. ICP, 12% on the week and 5.66% as well. ICP and Hedera. Bullish on Hedera, guys. 16% in the last 7 days. Everything's up in the last 7 days, all right? This is because of the rate cuts in the United States. Anyway, moving on. Wall Street Bull University, guys. Again, join up. I'm putting up all the links to my bots in here. You literally copy them and you can copy them if you wish. It's up to you. And again, I've kept this and, again, $8.50 Australian if you want all the copies of the links, or you can pay $5 US a month, whatever. That's the conversion rate, really. But I mean, you're making this back tenfold anyway with the bots. And again, a lot of useful information in here. I'm putting up everything that's making me money passively, and I'm sharing that with everybody. And there is a free membership to this as well. So thank you to all of you that have joined. I really appreciate it. You guys rock. 3Commas, guys. Now, again, I've got a few bots set up here. Again, I've got my multi-bots set up. And I also have that in a long position on 10x leverage. Don't go any more crazy than that. And, of course, the short bot, which I set up yesterday. Already that's made the average daily profit and loss is 20.59. Crazy, right? P&L on this one is actually, this is all USDT, has already made me 360 USDT. And I've also got the single pair bots set up on Sui, Say, CKB, Tau, Pendle. I've got Render in there, Fetch AI. So I've picked out some gems. But you don't necessarily need to do that if you are using the multi-bot. So it's up to you. But I've got my short bot set up just in case, all right, as a hedge against the volatility if that were to happen. I mean, I've learnt my lesson the hard way, and I've also gone a little bit less on the leverage. I mean, during the peak of the previous bull market, not the previous, I'd say in January when the Bitcoin ETFs were approved, I'm not kidding, like these bots were making ridiculous money. Even last year, it was just nuts. I mean, 6 months, I can show you here all time if this wants to load. Doesn't want to load. But anyway, the P&L in the 7 days is $330 US. 30 days right here, 459. All right. Now coming over to Gate.io, this is my exchange that I use these bots on. As you can see right here, all the short bots are now triggering up. They're in profit. I've got long bots set up down here as well. Coming over to the position history. Here's the P&Ls. There you go. I mean, we've got like Sui, we've got Cardano, Neo, call it Nero. I can't remember what it's called, Nero, but it's just a dog meme coin. Fetch AI. Anyway, here's all the profits from today. Today's the 24th of September. There you go. No BS, right? I've been taking profits off the table when it becomes available. So just to give you an example, this is all today. All today. My accountant's going to freaking love me with this one. But anyway, keep scrolling down. Trading. As you can see, there's $1.54 USDT in there. You pull profits out. You leave a certain amount of deals. I'm leaving mine at 30 positions at the moment. Really, really cool. Coming over to the asset funds overview, just so you guys can see. There you go. Today's P&L, 83 USDT. I'm not complaining about that. That's fantastic. I mean, that's well over 100 Australian dollars anyway. So if I'm making between, 50 to 100 dollars a day, I'm laughing. So that's pretty cool, guys. Go join the Wall Street Bull University. You'll see that. Biggest gainers on the day, we have Arweave, 16%. Really nice to see that. We have Celestia, 15.9% on the day. Good stuff to trade. Dog we've had as well, 9.8. CFX, everything's in the green, 7.6. Where is Sui? That is down today, but it's still up on the month, 50%. I'm bullish, as everyone knows, on Sui as well as Solana. And that's pretty much it for that. Now, quickly going to Skybridge Capital, guys. The Mooch says that Solana to play a major role in the $7 trillion financial revolution. I agree. Hedge fund veteran Scaramucci says that Ethereum's biggest rival will play a major part in the Layer 1 blockchain financial revolution. In this discussion of Solana Breakpoint 2024 conference, Skybridge Capital founder says that there are endless amounts of third parties involved in the securities and finance industry with present unnecessary friction for users. And the interesting one here, the problem with in the securities industry, it's not one third party, it's actually 7 or 8 different parties. So if you buy stock from my account, it's got to go through 7 different entities before it ends up in your account. When I joined the industry 35 years ago, it was a trade day plus T5, which again is annoying. I think we're down to the trade day plus T1, but there's a tremendous amount of friction between the situations. So once we clarify or able to unwind our trades, the system is actually flawless, near perfect system. And hopefully the tokenization will happen on Solana. And I say that because I own a lot of Solana and I believe it will, and I believe it eventually will as well. So again, $7 trillion is spent globally on transaction verification and credit card industry, wire transfers. Just imagine if we can start tokenizing things to take third parties out of the question, use distributed network to trust each other and take the $7 trillion and put it back into the economy. This is what's coming, guys. Realize this. Wake up. Now, again, the US debt woes could fuel gold and Bitcoin rally. Again, it's crazy, but it's going to happen, guys. I mean, Bitcoin's going to go up no matter what. But in a recent conversation, David Lin emphasized his favorable view on both assets, explaining they are well positioned to perform strongly as the US government may resort to inflation to manage its debt. So again, both gold and Bitcoin will increase in value. Bitcoin millionaire count soars is new record high incoming right now. And again, millionaires for Bitcoin investors are increasing as well. And Bitcoin has seen a notable increase in millionaire holders throughout 2024. even though the cryptocurrency is still trading below its previous peak of 73,000 earlier this year. So there you go. That's an interesting statistic. And Chris Larsen, here's where Ripple chairman Larsen, right here, Chris Larsen, by the way, moved his 20 million XRP. He continued to move millions of XRP from one of his addresses with the ultimate purpose of liquidating them all. Recall the Crypto Basic confirmed last week the Ripple co-founder moved 50 million XRP from an account, which is a lot, to an unidentified wallet. Following an investigation from the behavioral patterns, Crypto Basic suggested that 20 million XRP tokens could be heading to the centralized exchange Binance, and the address has persistently offloaded millions of XRP to Binance in recent months. However, given the behavior of consistent with Bittrex active addresses, on-chain data suggests left over 15 million XRP would also be heading to Binance. So his movements are this. For context, the flow of funds is especially noteworthy as it marks its first time Larsen moved XRP from Genesis address. I mean, the first address, obviously, in 11 years. And the address received 500 million XRP as part of an allocation to Larsen. That's crazy as well. So he's obviously just cashing in. Whatever, not really worried about that. But anyway, guys, very, very bullish at the moment. We're sitting at neutral on the Fear and Greed Index. And these bots, guys, are making some gains. I'm really happy about that. It's about freaking time we get back into trading cryptos, ladies and gents. That was a quick little video today, but join the Wall Street Bull University because I'm keeping everyone updated with what's going on with these trading bots. They're actually working quite nicely. But anyway, guys, stay bullish. Let's see what happens at the market open tonight on Wall Street. I'll speak to everyone soon, all right? Take care of yourselves. Peace out. Bye.